Hi everybody. So today I want to share with you one of my absolute favorite beauty products, and that is going to be Cicapair from Dr. Jart. This is their Tiger Grass Color Correcting Cream. So this is my second or third, actually it's my third product to use by Dr. Jart, and I've never been disappointed in anything that I've ever used from them. So I did get a sample. It was in my Birchbox that I got a little while ago. I got a sample of this and I thought I'd try it. First and foremost, it is green. It's a green cream because that's part of the color correcting. So I'm going to show you how I apply this. It does have SPF 30 in it, so it also helps whenever you're out in the sun, which is great. No makeup, so you can see that I do have imperfections. I have melasma here, I have some redness here, I've got a little more melasma there, some little spots here and there that I like to cover. So this cream really is magical. So a lot of people, I've watched other people apply theirs. I do mine differently. It's just the way that I prefer to do it. I don't like to do this on my face. I just can't. So the way I'm going to do that is with my Beauty Blender brush. Okay, let's get started. So I take a little bit on my finger, and it really doesn't take a lot of the product to cover your entire face. So I put my little dots where I want them, a little on my forehead, a little on my nose. Okay, and that's really all you need. And then I take my Beauty Blender brush. I don't have it wet. With normal foundation, I would normally get this a little wet, but I don't have to do that with this. So just smash it in, basically. Just put it all over. And it goes from green and actually turns into a pretty, for me, paste color. But it does blend in with your skin, so don't worry, you won't look like an alien. When I tell my friends about this, they're like, it's green? Yeah, my camera keeps falling. I got this new tripod thing, and still haven't figured it out yet. Okay, so you just blend it really, really, really good, or well. And make sure you drag it down a little bit under your chin. Okay. See, it's not green. You're okay. Okay. Now it's all blended in, and you give it a few seconds to really sit on your face and kind of match your color, what you need. So what this is supposed to do, it's supposed to help correct all of those colors, you know, that are off, like the little bit of redness that I have here. You can see that that's already kind of going away. It doesn't completely cover the melasma spots, but it does a really, really good job of covering them for me. So the next thing I do, I let that sit for about a minute, and then I come in with a loose powder. So this is how I set it. I do use this as my foundation, and I don't need like concealer under my eyes or anything. It's awesome. So loose foundation and a foundation brush that I need to clean, but I use it all the time. So I come in with a little bit of powder. It's going everywhere. And then I just blot that on. And you can already see that it's giving me a really nice color versus being porcelain white, which is great because I am quite pasty. Okay, a little bit more powder. Going everywhere. Oh, it's a new powder container for me, so I kind of put too much on the lid. Yeah. Under the eyes. And a little under the chin, just to make sure everything matches. All right. And my camera's falling again. I don't know how to tighten this thing. I'll figure it out later. But so that's it. That's my regimen. And then I continue on with my eyeshadow, do my eyes, my eyebrows, put some bronzer, and it's truly amazing. I get compliments all the time of you have perfect skin. And I'm like, if you only knew, like, it's seriously this product here. So this is my second jar. I'm almost out and I have my third jar on the way. So I do highly recommend this. It cost me, I want to say $60. And I bought it on Amazon. You can also get it on Sephora, but it's going to cost you around the same, but it is worth it. A little goes a long way. This is, where are you? Oh, 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. So it's a decent sized jar. It does come with a scoop, so if you don't want to stick your fingers in there, I don't mind, but you can use the scoop and apply it to your face any way you care to do it. Highly recommend. If you guys have tried this out, please let me know what you think, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys next time.